One of the best ways to make money online and build a business online and work from home is simply blogging or creating a blog. But a lot of people struggles when they want to start a blog. They don't know what topics to write about. They don't know the niche of their blog. Especially the last month, I got a lot of emails, people asking me the same question. How to pick up the niche, how to know the niche of our blog, the topic of our blog. In this video, I want to answer this question and I want to share with you my experience when I created my blog. Also, I have a small gift for you in this video, so stay tuned and follow up. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate and today I'm so happy to publish this new short video. Before we start, I just want to remind you that we have a running giveaway that will end in 3 days, $100 cash giveaway. If you haven't joined, go now to educate.com/giveaway and join us. So let's don't waste time and go directly to our topic and answer the following question. Now you want to start a blog, you want to build a business online, but you are struggling to select the niche of your blog. What to do and how to select the niche. Before we go into a practical example and show you my blog and how I started, let's define and explain what is a niche in just 30 seconds. A niche is not only the topic that you are going to write about, but also it is the way you are going to engage with your audience, how you will position yourself as the expert in this field, or simply how you are going to share your experience or whatever you want to share with your audience. So a niche, simply the niche of the blog, is the topic you select and how you are going to deliver it and engage with it with your audience. Super simple. So here is my blog, and if you are following me from like 2 years ago, you know when I started, my main topics and my main articles was about email marketing. You can see here about email marketing related topics. So when I started, I picked up email marketing as my main niche for my blog. But later on, if you go, as an example today, if you are following, I post articles about online business, about digital marketing, about web hosting, about everything related to digital marketing and online business. So I evolved and expanded my topic and expanded my reach and expanded my audience. So number one rule that you have to know, that when you start with your blog, you have to pick a specific niche. We call it a micro niche. You have to start with something really so specific. Why? This will help you mainly in two things. Number one, to rank higher on Google. So when you create a list of articles that are connected together, talking about the same concept, talking about the same keywords, this will help you rank higher on Google and get more organic traffic, more free organic traffic from Google. Number two, when you write about a micro niche or a specific niche, you will target a specific audience, and this is really very important. So when someone opens your blog and you are writing about a certain topic, he will tell other people, as an example, this person, this blog is specialized in this field. As an example, when I started my blog and I started my YouTube channel even, you know, if you're following me, I published a lot of videos about email marketing. So people start sharing my content as that my channel is the perfect place to learn about email marketing. So I was publishing content on my channel and on my blog specific about email marketing. So this is number one rule. When you start, you have to pick a micro niche, a specific niche, and target a specific audience. Now the next rule that you have to know is that you are not obliged to stick with one niche for years, for your entire life. Of course, no. As I did, I started with email marketing, I built audience. Later on, I started expanding and writing about YouTube marketing, about affiliate marketing, about online business, about getting traffic, about things related to digital marketing and online business. So it's normal to expand later. And it's a good choice to expand your reach also and reach more people. Of course, don't start with cooking and go into digital marketing. We are talking about expanding in the same or related niches and topics. Okay, so number one rule is you are going to select a niche, a specific niche. You are going to target a specific audience. Then later on you can expand and evolve your topics and expand your reach. I think the idea for now is somehow simple. I know now some of you may tell me, Hassan, please stop talking and show us some examples. We want niche ideas. We want topic ideas to start our blog with. We are motivated. Please help us. I know you are thinking about this, but I'm really obliged to explain some concepts that will help you to be successful in your blog. I want to show you two other examples. One is called booksandmore.blog. It's also one of my blogs. This is an example about micro niche blogs. Here I am writing about only book summaries. You can see here all these articles, all these posts are book summaries. So now in this blog, which is my blog, I'm writing about, or the writers here, the team is writing about book summaries. Maybe later on next year we can expand the reach and start writing about book reviews. Maybe we can add audiobooks. Maybe we can add or sell book covers. Maybe we can add articles about self-help and improving yourself and so on. You can expand your niche later on. I will do this maybe next year. Another example, I started this week a new blog about affiliate marketing. It's called affiliatebeginner.com. It's still empty. I started it right now. I'm still creating the template, designs, and so on, and creating content. But the idea is this blog will be specific about affiliate marketing only, maybe for 1 year. Later on, I can go and start talking about digital marketing and getting traffic and online business and so on. But for the first year, I will focus on affiliate marketing so I can attract everyone on this planet who is interested in learning about affiliate marketing. Okay, so these are some examples from my work. And let's now move on and answer one of the most important questions you will ask now. Please share with us some content ideas or some niche ideas to start with. Of course, I can't mention all the niches in this small video, but I will share with you some topics now in this video. And for the gift today, I have a small ebook, a small guide I wrote about selecting the perfect niche. You can download totally for free. You'll find a link in the description below, and you'll find a lot of topic ideas that you can pick off. But to make things simple now, let's talk about some popular niches that you can start with. Number one, money-related topics like personal finance, like make money online, like side hustles, like how to make money on the side, like how to build online business, and so on. Maybe another topic is cooking, but cooking is somehow broad, so you need to go somehow specific. As an example, talk about maybe gluten-free food, or maybe healthy food, or children food, and so on. I don't know, I'm not an expert in this field, but you can do some research about it. Other topic is simply sports, climbing, hiking, biking, football, soccer, whatever, basketball. We have a lot of topics here. Other niche is maybe self-help, like self-help book summaries, as I do in my Books and More blog. Maybe talk about memory improvement and memory training. Maybe some psychology related topics. Maybe talking about healthy food to build a healthy body. Other niche is parenting, teaching, homeschooling. We have a lot of topics, a lot of niches that we can start with. So what you are going to do now is to pick a niche. But please focus very well. Whenever you want to pick a niche, there is two factors, two things that you have to consider. If you can combine them together, you will be successful. Number one is that you have the skill to write about this niche. Number two is to be interested in this niche. So if you can combine both things together, the skill and interest in one niche, you will be successful. Now, it's not obligatory to be interested in the niche, but it's better Maybe you have the passion to learn about it. It's okay. You can learn about it. You can share what you are learning. You can document in your blog what you are learning as a beginner, how you are learning a certain skill. This is a topic also. Give some time for imagination and try to find some specific niches to write about in a certain topic. Now let's say you picked up a topic, as an example, cooking or healthy food. How to do some content research to find topics? You can simply do this. Open your browser. As an example, we want to write about healthy snacks. So we search on Google for healthy snacks. We will find now this blog, this article. It's called healthline.com. So you are going to copy this URL, this website, and go to a website called buzzsumo.com. Don't need to sign up. You can use it for free for now. Just paste the URL here and click on find content. And now it will show you a list of popular articles written on this blog. And you can see the popularity here, Facebook engagement, and all these are topics related to healthy snacks or to this blog, which is your competitor, or that will be your competitor, or you will be its competitor, and you can take some ideas for your upcoming blog articles. Also, you can do this. Go to hsupertools.com, my free tools website, and go here to the YouTube keyword tool, and search here for healthy snacks. And this tool now will generate a lot of content ideas for you for your blog. You can see here we have a lot of content ideas. How to lose weight, snacks for weight loss. All these are content ideas you can use under this niche. Okay, so this is the idea of selecting a niche for your blog. Go and download the PDF, the free ebook. You will find a list, a big list of topics, of niches, and then go and do some search on this keyword tool, on BuzzSumo, on Google about competitor blogs, and you'll collect a lot of ideas that you can start with in your blog. Now, one small note, you don't have to be an expert in your field to start a blog. No. When I started writing about digital marketing, I wasn't that perfect. But what really made my content and my blog somehow attractive is that I shared my experience, my real case studies. So even if you are a beginner, you can still share your experience, share your mistakes, your failures, because the failure is simply the way, the path to success. A lot of people maybe love to read about failures so they can avoid and save some time when they are doing something. All these are content ideas. I think this is enough for you to select a niche for your blog. To sum things up, just see what you are interested in, see what is your skills in, what you like to write about, and select a niche from the list I will share with you in the free guide in the description. A lot of topics. Do some research on BuzzSumo, on hsupertools, on Google, and find some other content ideas. Start brainstorming, write them down, and launch your blog. Don't just wait and wait and wait. Just go and start. And by the way, I have a free course here on my channel, how to create a blog like my blog. If you're interested, you can check it if you want. Please take action today, create a blog, start. You'll be successful. Just some patience and you will be successful and build a strong business, a strong blogging business online, working from home. Don't forget the giveaway. Don't forget the free guide in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications to get every new update almost every couple of days. Bye bye.